This video will cover drag and drop assembly constraints. Initially, when parts are inserted and fully unconstrained, it is possible to quickly constrain the parts by using drag and drop constraint placement. If the part already has an assembly constraint applied, this functionality will not be available. To enter into Quick Constraint mode, press Ctrl+Q or select the Quick Constraint tool from the modeling toolbar or from the ribbon. Click on the item you want to constrain and begin to drag it. Clicking and dragging on a face or edge will make it become green. This signifies that you are in the process of a drag and drop constraint. While dragging the part, hover the mouse over another part. When the mouse hovers over an area of another part, the area it is over will also turn green. When this happens, a constraint will automatically be previewed. In this case, an align constraint is applied which makes the axis of the cylinder and the face of the other part parallel. Continue dragging the first part around the second part. What you hover over will change, and as it does, so will a constraint preview. In this example, we want to insert the bolt into the hole. While dragging the bolt, we will hover the mouse over the interior cylindrical face. The bolt will orient itself appropriately when we do this, and the interior cylindrical face turns green. When the constraint preview is what you want, release the mouse. The dialog will now populate with options that are relevant to the two types of geometry that you are constraining. In this case, we can set an angle, create an offset, or flip the bolt in the other direction. When you're ready to apply the constraint, click the check mark. To cancel, click the Cancel button. You can now begin the process again. This video covered drag and drop assembly constraints. Initially, when parts are inserted and fully unconstrained, it is possible to quickly constrain the parts by using drag and drop constraint placement. If the part already has an assembly constraint applied, this functionality will not be available.